Hey guys, welcome to another quick design bite at Blush-Over. Today I want to show off a new plugin that we've built over at Digital. It's the DuoTones plugin. Comes with a cool bunch of features, one being texture effects that we can go through in a second. And you can check out all the documentation online. Essentially, it's just a quick plugin that lives in Photoshop, and you can choose from one of the 30 different effects. So if I just find one that I like, and I basically just hit run, and it applies the effect for me, non-destructive. You can edit the vibrance, levels, tweak the levels a bit to get it how you want, or even just tweak the actual map itself. Got a couple of images here that we can throw the effect on. Just change document, and I'll find the Scarlet map. There you go. It's that easy. Another cool thing that the plugin does is if you go to the settings panel, you can put on the texture effects, and what that's going to do is give you this little texture effect in addition to the color map, and also indicate here that the texture effects are switched on. So this texture effect will stay on for as long as you untick the effect. So next time you fire up Photoshop, it'll stay on, so you can control that. But I'll just put this one on. So you can see here it's got that extra effect. And that's just done here in with an extra texture adjustment layer. Cool thing is you can just double click it and change the effect to whatever you want. By default, the plugin will insert and load a DuoTone pattern, texture, sorry. So it's really quick and easy, and I love the editability of it all afterwards. So you can really tweak everything how you want it. That's available from Digital, and you can come check out all of our plugins. Only one at the moment available for free, but go check it out, download it for free, and have a play. Link in the description. Thanks, guys.